Hello and welcome to this video in which I would like to show how I can pass edits I have made in HiCAD back to LogiKal. In this case, all you need to know is what machining LogiKal can handle. This means that any machining generated with recesses must be omitted here, as LogiKal can basically only generate holes, slotted holes, and pockets. You also have to know that if I create a rectangular pocket, for example, when it is milled, it must also have a radius here because the cutter can mill it that way. This means that if I have a rectangular machining here, LogiKal cannot process it. LogiKal can of course transfer holes and slotted holes as usual. I have now created these operations here in HiCAD in order to use them for further operations. I want to transfer these operations to LogiKal, I have to do this with the function transfer HiCAD operations to LogiKal. I select the LogiKal position here, and now my machining operations are transferred to me. I also get the corresponding message, and now I want to view this in LogiKal. Here you can see position 16, and if I go to the BRZ processing, I can already see these three processes in the preview. I double click on the profile, and then I can see these three operations that I have made in HiCAD. That means once the circular pocket, you can also see here that this comes from an external program, the oblong hole and the rectangular pocket. These operations were seamlessly transferred to LogiKal. However, if I had made a machining with a recess, as I said earlier, it would not be transferred to LogiKal. Furthermore, no machining is transferred that results in a change of method.